Sensibility and practicality define the 2015 Ford Explorer. Ford infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as power front seats, a trip computer, front fog lights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Call now to schedule a test drive.